Chapter number 25. Prepositions of time. Da khare tharindela dirta prepositions lana tail rocha ani thugi tail rocha da thugi tail la tutsuka de kalore tutsuka de la ra tu toro tutsuka zu la la ro de yura de kapsla ani tail rocha prepositions late. Read these sentences. We will go out to play at 5 o'clock. We will go to swim at 6 o'clock on Sunday evening. We went to church on Christmas Day. They are going to Kashmir in the first week of May. We may go up to the mountains in the summer. I was born in 2001. We played cricket for an hour yesterday. Rita has been teaching in this school since 2005. Leila waited for her friend till 6 o'clock, but she did not come. I do my homework from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock every day. Ra? Ta reres intenda rota waina nganzo khare zimjagala chuzo ngabala duis. Ra. Ngabala la de at lat piche. We will go to swimming at 6 o'clock on Sunday. Ra. Nganzo Sunday yesani magi chido la chizu chupa thola chukega duis. Nganzo ini issue la kan la ra. Di ini issue ki da kalore. Issue ki tanda di. Christmas Day na ko pichi la de ki tu suro ra da ya ho chao pa masta. Jinda junyi da rin sanga ji hon son de la duis. They are going to Kashmir in the first week of May. Kunzo ani jindangawe yedunra thangbo nangla letra nangla ani Kashmir la duershas kya ge saje chatara dine nganzo we go up to mountains in the summer ani yaga nganzo ani rithola ya yaga nangla le ta khatu giroina roya yakala le rangzo yaga la ani khasa riganza is nga ani chilchik tong khasa ni dong chiklo la kebares chila le jura ditu chatara dine we played cricket for an hour yesterday khazang anzo chuju chik ring la ani cricket che is ring la le di 14 to dine rita yi ani anzo lapta la la ne kadune la la nas ani dong nga ne chimle tera tichu thye dine ko chu sa cha nga ne la bares. Then Leila waited for her friend till 6 o'clock, but she did not come. Leila ye koran thokpo thomo la nere thokpo an chizu thuba phardu gubares ine ya morande yamares ta thomo da. I do my homework from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock every day. Nye ene nangle di nyenda rishi chizu shiba ne ra shiba ne le de from che ane phad le de tu di tunda. Ani shiba ne thupa phardo chigiyes ta dinal tawana at let thuji tungda tujinge jin chujila dine on le di ko kare nimuj tungda Sunday la so at Sunday me ache on Sunday ra dindra nimu khare yue dina shi on die nimuj ro on che ya dindra chi na la le kapsla in le chiro yes dina shi dawa nang la ne in month ya summer le ngazo namthi chiwa na inch dinashi gi logic ki shi na logic na la le de kasla inch ra ya thyen ki shi na chuji chi ring la ni ring la le de 4 chira an khane go chu be ne sung le jra ne sung le di sing chira ani khare thyen di phar do le la til de chira ani dine di phar do la ne thyen rimbani ti do adi kasla from and to ni ga le do the reji ka zori la khare preposition of time chat to juting do samai the at on in for since till from and to are prepositions of time ra that in zori samala preposition of time yes we use at when we talk about time at leading on the kharu ko shidu tujuchi ko shidu pijuchi yes we use on with date and time dates and days ra the on the nimuj ki shibra chirang da nimu ki shida pijuchi yes We use in with weeks, months, and years. In the khare dundra da dawa da lo dinzo piju shidu in yes. We can use from dash to show the beginning and the end of the an action. Ra from the two niga khare piju chilana chi khare gochusa da judusa yi chawaji gira chawaji gi gochusa da chaw di judusa ji par de ke shidu samba de piju yes. Ra the exercise 1 de dangzo de nyanga de khechum bu chawta at the on the in de zo khadu phi chi ne le dra khadu khare come at 6 o'clock later ma come on 6 o'clock later ma res ra at le de ko tu zo nge change ke shi ba ra chu zo chi la de ne on le de ni mo da che rang chi in le de dun ra da ni da wa da lo de ke shi le ra de ne thang bu di complete these sentences with in on or at ra and it's in the on the at konzukanrongi conscious. Then it gets very hot in Hyderabad in summer. In summer lera season ra. Ta khare going yagala and Hyderabad pe chau chagres ra. My brother's Adit was born dash kotijudena katore at 7:45 a.m. Ani dikardu sedan do on 2nd October 1919. 9 ra di chuzu in sambala at che and sedang in sama on ke shi ra my father does not like driving dash the night ra ta day da nye da sen la ba in the night ra samsa at the night la nye ra di kuni at the middle of night ra middle of night la ko tu jing jing la yus ra chen ki la le ro ta tanda in the night ra Nipala and shit because the Modana Gawi Mares. My birthday is dash April. The April and the Dawara. And Katore. My birthday is in April. Yagana Kaza. Chinda Shiba Nang What are you doing dash Saturday? The Saturday Lana Hare Nyanjro Chiza. What are you doing on Saturday? Sabembala Karichi. I wake up every day dash 6 a.m. 6:30 a.m. Takare di chuzo in sambala katore at ra. I wake up every day at 6:30 a.m. School begins dash 1st July. Tadi sedang do katore gilansi. Lapta khadu go chulana chinda dumbe dari chil go churi latra. I have my dance class dash 6 p.m. dash Saturday. Ni Shirhavegi Zindrajuicha, Shitatan Janitra, the Kadulana Chuzu Trupa, Chiro Chuzu Trubada, and the Kadits Nima Kadulare, Sabimbagi, Chuzu Trubalare lady, Ladilla Katore choosing a change capstan, and ya Nimukas Katio, the Semblashani Theatre. Then you write 6 sentences about how Gargi spends her Sundays using from to use the clues given. Right? Ta khare gargi le de mi ji ba che di gi ani sa nima tu zu khan ris tang gi me gi kola chirip tu thi shwas di e khare ani piju khare chore from the two le jura che kuni piju chi shwas ani khare piju chore clues given da na cho din a te sha vi cho jora di ani keran piju tang shwas pena ko khachi do stays in bed ra ni da ni thina de de jura ko ni se sa ja ni thina de de di chu zu kha di du ke ba ne ge cha la di do has a special breakfast khadu mise khalaji achedra sanimala chuzuge chegane guchcha paralachi watches TV in temudede chuzugu chegane chuwa batuchira plays with her friends korange rokpat muslimdu sedi chuzu chubane chukchi batura does her homework ndene koran nangle chede chukchine chungni chega batura reads a story book chungni chegane thangbu ko dumde lo chiro ta puji chigoni sanimala de chido ta khare gozuye de khare nganzu phiju khatang re dinala thuzo ni te do gozu sa sta judu sa jela zambala from the two phiju chiro chida she usually stays in bed from 8 to 8:30 a.m. ra from the two la lesa chizu gebane ke chega phardo le de kisleswa dene she has a special breakfast from 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. She watches TV from 9:30 to 10 a.m. The she dejar and then dini parala from the che de la tujar ra dene te pap di chetu sarwa dene somebody complete these sentences with prepositions from the box that sirup dinzo ani di tupshina yepegi ani che dinzo gi konshoas ma thambu di at on in since from to for ra at le de che on de ka jang thangi dina to sa gi chi pa chatura for le de thuyen thuya on Saturday evening we listen to music ra nimo jiten to zambal on Saturday morning evening ra munje ani sheni bayis they have been walking 2 hours lana munje ani chujuni ringla kumba gyabare ladi for 2 hours it has been rainy dash 1 o'clock ra since ra chuju tangbune chawa gyashimbare shas ra this wa da dini parke bada di chuzuni la ring da tra di chuju thangbo la le ke shota chuju chigla la mata they have known each other dash they were in class 1 since they were in class 1 진짜 thangbo ne chini ani kona ni pinsu ngoshim gores they watched the match dash pm dash 8 pm ra ta gonzo gi sitting the tawares chimuti khane chujungabane geba badle na from 5 pm to 8 pm ra dash Christmas day na khare nimojwa on Christmas day we are planning a big party ta manzare chuke laure thutu chimbushi chashi chishin bayis Christmas day ra let's go out dash the afternoon di khare badudu let's go out in the afternoon ra in the ra ko degi chashi nimo chashi chatra chuzung yejemindo my school starts at 8 o'clock Nagis will go to Pune di dawaina khatire galaxy ra konjun Pune la dres Nagis di Pune la chinda to kubanan dres the museum is open dash Tuesday dash Sunday ani dimde khandi ani sa mimane sa nyama bhardu gochi le na khatira Zinab is unwell she has been absent 3 days Zinab di deu mindos kora ani sache ani nima sum rin la le di khatira a new day begins dash midnight ra ta nima sawa de khadu gozula na chege kidla ra ani khare at la ko tujeng